Summer is just around the corner, and you know what that means, loading up your inventory. So if you clicked on this video for that reason, well, you're in luck. For this project, I'm gonna be using this scrap piece of black walnut. You don't have to use this wood. If you're looking to make this project without walnut, I would suggest using 1/2-inch plywood. To start, you're gonna pull over 2.5 inches, then measure up 1 inch on this side, and then connect those marks by doing an arch. Now we're gonna take the underside right here and make another arch. For your second piece, you're just gonna start by making a flat line and then just making a giant arch. And you're gonna wanna make sure these are the same length. Now let's go cut this out on the bandsaw. Slap on some PPE and get cutting. For your arched piece, you're gonna wanna get a 1/2-inch Forstner bit and you're gonna drill right on the corner right there. Now use your belt sander and make these pieces go down to about 1/2 inch. If you're working with 1/2-inch plywood, you can skip this step. All right, so we got done sanding it with the belt sander, so now we are gonna sand it by hand with 120 grit. We have some Gorilla Glue right here, and we're gonna put some right on these two ends, and then we'll stick it together just like that. I didn't want to sit here waiting for this thing to dry, so before this video, I actually made another one, and so we're just gonna finish doing this one. I didn't finish sanding it though, so we're gonna sand it real quick. All right, we're gonna take some mineral oil right here and then coat it in that so it pops. Well, you're probably sitting there saying, "Barney Boy, what did you make?" Well, I just showed you how to make a finger guard so when you're cutting your vegetables and stuff, you don't chop off your fingers. Well, summer is about here, and you know what that means. Well, heat, and, well, dogs shed. So I'm gonna show you how to make a dog groomer from your old bandsaw blades. I just found this big piece of board laying on the ground, and so I'm just gonna take this and cut a 4-inch section off of it. I'm gonna take my marker and make a mark all the way down it. I'm gonna bring this over to the bandsaw and we're gonna cut this whole line. So this is my bandsaw blade graveyard, and I'm gonna take an old one right here and then I'll chop it up into 4-inch sections. And of course, like, one of these can probably make like 100 of them. All right, we're gonna take these big bolt cutters and then chop it into half. Okay, I just realized I'll be able to bend it until it breaks. There we go. Chop it there. There it goes. Now since I cut this groove with a bandsaw, it should be the perfect width. I'm gonna take this blade out and then I'm gonna sand this piece with the belt sander. And then we will put that blade back in. Now I would recommend if you have a sharp blade, I would maybe run it on your belt sander so it's not as sharp. Now there you go. This probably only took me like 8 minutes to make and it was very simple. Now I'm gonna go get my dog and test it on him. Bo, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay, stay. We're gonna test it on real quick. He sheds a lot, like even in the winter. Oh wow, that actually works really good. Oh my goodness, that works. Look at all that hair. I think he thinks it feels good. Look at all that hair. Well, that is a lot of hair. It works very good, and I'm sure it works on horses too. So when I bring these to vendor sales and stuff, I will dip it in polyurethane, which protects the wood and makes it more durable. Well, there you go, guys. I just showed you how to make 2 woodworking projects that you can add to your summer inventory. So guys, if you like this video, I think you might like some of my others, so I'll put my woodworking playlist right here. And if you want to see how to make a hat holder, I'll put that right here. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will see y'all next time.